heating, cooling, and domestic hot water in one system, excellent thermodynamic performance, electric auxiliary heating, all-in-one design and easy installation. KAWM 5.1. Save up to 80% energy. The heat pump comes with a controller, touchscreen for intuitive operation. It also features remote smart control, EV-enhanced vapor injection, stable operation in an ultra-cold climate. In fact, even as low as 30°C, there are more options to choose from.